The species and size of plants that you will be planting are specified on the landscape design plan. We will discuss the types of nursery stock and the difference between them. There are three common types of nursery stock: container grown, balled and burlapped, often called B&B plants, and bare root plants. Each type of nursery stock has a different advantage. Let's start with container grown plants. Container grown plants are convenient, fairly easy to handle, and with adequate watering, you can plant them at any time during the spring to fall growing season. Container grown plants may have circling roots in the pot, which you will need to correct before planting. This photo shows a severe case that should not be selected for planting. Depending on the size of the plant, containers can be top-heavy and prone to falling over. When you handle them or move the containers in your truck, you will need to support them so that they don't get damaged by falling over. Balled and burlap plants, or B&B plants, are field grown. These plants are dug up in the late winter, early spring, or late summer. Nursery personnel dig out the roots in a ball shape. Next, they wrap the root system in soil with burlap and secure it in place with a wire basket, as shown here. B&B plants are heavier and often much larger than container grown plants. They usually require more effort or even machinery to move and place into planting holes. But because they were grown in a field and without boundaries, the root system will typically radiate out from the stem naturally and will not have spiraling roots. However, still be on the lookout for a potential circling root near the trunk. Bare root plants are also field grown and dug from the ground in a dormant state, but the growers remove the soil, leaving just the bare roots, as shown here. By having as much of the root system as possible intact, a plant can more rapidly acclimate to its new soil conditions. Because bare root plants are lightweight, they tend to be the least expensive to ship. Until they are planted, store them in cool conditions to prevent growth. Keep the roots moist during shipping and storage so the roots don't dry out. Here the roots are in a plastic bag to help prevent them from drying out. Tree sizes can be described in several ways. B&B trees are often referred to by the size of their ball. 24-inch and 28-inch are common sizes. Container-grown trees may be described by the gallon size of the pot. 10-gallon and 15-gallon are common sizes. But trees can also be described by their caliper. Landscape architects or designers often use calipers in referring to trees in their design plans. Remember what the three types of nursery stock look like: container-grown plants, balled and burlap plants, and bare root plants.